Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 3/10/2024. The time is roughly around 7:15. And first of all, thanks a lot for the Bangalore event. It was, very successful, and the love and affection which you showed on that particular event was literally tremendous. Thanks a lot for all your blessings, wishes, and everything. And you made my day on that day. And now we are planning for more states from here on, and we are working on that. Okay, so now coming to the market, what a waterfall on a very important astro date. That is what we said, that the 3rd October will be the effect day. Whether it is SEBI or whether it is war, we are not bothered about all that, but the day when the astro combines with an event, and this is what will happen. And the morning we went long, doubled money. Again we started, we went short at we bought at 25,500 put and 25,600 put and 25,500. From 44 it went to 283. What a phenomenal move. And now we are at the support. Let's go and see all that. And last 5-6 days I have not put the video, so maybe this video will be little big, so you need to manage it. Okay, so now let's go. Let's go to PPD first. Okay, so now this is what we are writing, that the major time cycle. This is what we discussed in my Bangalore event also. Index was at 54 monthly cycle and RSI was at 84. So if you go and do the back work of what happened when the RSI touched 83, 84, 82, there was a solid fall from there, and last week it was at 83.36, and the cooling off is happening now, and it's a real cool off in the last 3 days time. And it is again not only this monthly cycle, and if you go to weekly, it is a Jupiter cycle. So that also we clearly mentioned. Last week was Jupiter cycle, mark the high and low and take the trade. And we clearly said Bank Nifty, many people said the breakout is happened in Bank Nifty, but absolutely no. We said very clearly the breakout is not happened, and from there roughly around 2000 points fall. And yesterday the crude which we took yesterday, we predicted that based on the Mercury, crude has to fly, and once it crossed above 5616 non-stop, it went to 6,100 level, and now also it is doing extremely well. So now when it comes to we said very clearly the impact will be on 3rd. You have seen a clear impact, and yesterday we gave this number, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty must to hold this number. But yesterday it came and touched this number and closed above, and today it was a collapse literally. Once it broke 24,340 and 24,658. And this is the timing which we gave yesterday. Only 2 timings. Always remember, whenever the timings are 1 or 2 only, it will be a trending move. This is one of the way we can understand whether the market is going to trend or not. For example, if you have 5-6 timings here, 5-6 timings here, then the market will not trend. Whenever you get a trend, only 1 timing in Bank Nifty, only 2 timings in Nifty, the market will trend on that particular day. So now let's go and see this timings: 10:35 to 10:40, 1:25 to 1:30, 10:05 to 10:10 in Bank Nifty. So now let's go here. Let's go to Bank Nifty. So I've clearly marked Bank Nifty here. So simply you need to mark the high, you need to mark the low, okay. So now above this candle, why below this candle? Once it closed to below, wait for the retracement. The retracement is happened here. You can keep a stop loss of recent high here, and from there waterfall from the beginning. And if you see fortune signals, it gave a sell in 5 minutes on 27th of September at 54,100 level. So if you see here, the sell came at 54,100 level, and till now there is no buy in 5 minutes. And it gave a buy here none of the candle closed above, so this is called fake buy, which is a trap. And from the trap it again started, and there is no buy again, and we are at here. So from 54,000 to 51,825, 845 on a 5 minutes time frame. Okay, 5 minutes time frame. So now let's go to the Nifty on the timing concept. So now these are the two timings again here. Maybe I'll switch off fortune signal so that you will understand better. So again, mark the high, mark the low, take the trade. So below this low, you can simply go short. Stop loss is very small. This is the recent high, and again this was the fall. None of the candle closed above this candle. None of this candle closed above this candle, and it closed below. Simple timings do wonders actually. And the call, the put which we morning we took the call actually. So this is the 54-month cycle from the COVID low, which is very crucial, which is very crucial for the market. So now based on the monthly, you need to mark high, mark low, whichever side it breaks you can take. And last week was the Jupiter cycle when it comes to Nifty and Bank Nifty, and this was the last week cycle, and it broke below and it gave a solid fall in Bank Nifty as well as in Nifty. So now we took the put, which is 25,500 put in 1 minute, and our entry was exactly at 44. See, we waited for this buy to happen. Once it confirmed here, and we put the entry at 44 here. And we got the entry around 10:34, and from there it started. None of the candle in red, and from there it started, and it ended exactly at 250 in 1 minute time frame. And if you want to go for a call option selling, this is how the option selling happens. So in 5 minutes, once it gives the buy here at 547, and from there is no buy. So from 547 to 0 in Nifty, 25,600 put, and the fall happened. The sell came on 30th of September, not today. The sell came on 30th of September at 9:15. From there, none of the candle in 5 minutes time frame is in buy, and from there to here it is completely zero. Okay, and now let's go to the important point. So now if you go and see the daily, exactly we are at the support. Last time it went up, came down, exactly took the support here, and from there it moved. So now again we are at the very crucial support area when it comes to Nifty, and when it comes to Bank Nifty, and when it comes to Fin Nifty. But Fin Nifty is at a very crucial level, but when you go to mid cap index, mid cap is little okay when compared to all the three major indices. So mid cap is still till here to survive, so there is no problem. But Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty are at the very crucial level. So now when you go to Ichimoku, and this is a very vulnerable point which market doesn't like this. For example, let's say if it comes and touches here, if it holds this minute point, then the move will be like this. If it closes below, then be ready for this low, 22,250, in case if it breaks tomorrow, because today's high and low is very crucial for the market. If it breaks today's low and close below, then this is the point which we need to understand when it comes to Fin Nifty. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, more or less it will okay. So this area will be the flat line support. That is what I already said. See, this area is not the perfect equilibrium. The equilibrium is lost because when the cloud is big, when it is going, breaking the cloud, it will not sustain, it will again come back to the cloud. So now if you see here, this is the flat line. So possibility that it will come and touch the flat line, and from there it will move up. And this cloud is big, so it will not give up that easily when it comes to Bank Nifty. But when you go to Nifty, absolutely there is no issue. When it comes to Nifty. So now let's go to the PPT. Okay, I have given the high and low of today, and the high and low of today. Now the next important date is happening on 9th and 10th of October, and this is the number, still it valid, and it closed below. So we need to get 648 points from this low. Let's see whether it is going to give that number, and all that we already talked about. All major targets down, all major targets done on the downside on the important date, and all at the very major mega support. Make or big break is here. And yesterday the crude was the real rocker of the day. We clearly said astro aspect, and crude was a real winner yesterday. So now when it comes to number, all the numbers are red. From the last 3 days, all the numbers are red. So there is no positional long in the Nifty, and once it broke below, came down and touched that. Now once it break below, all the targets done up to 25,348. So now below 23,348, we said that the first target is this one. It is achieved. Now this is the crucial area of support. Break below, it will go and end here, 24,801. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, because Nifty has achieved all the weekly targets on the downside, and when it comes to Bank Nifty, exactly it came and touched this number and closed a little above. This was the last target for Bank Nifty for this week, and we have one more day to go. This was the last target we mentioned, and if you go 51,721 in Bank Nifty, 51,721 in Bank Nifty. That is the bang on low today. So now this is the last target for Bank Nifty for this week. Now we already said that break below this number, bulls will be in trouble till 51,721. So now it touched 51,721 today. So now below 51,721, these targets will get activated up to 50,956. So watch out for these numbers. And what else? That's all. Nothing more to add in this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Crude is flying like a rocket here, so we are holding some position in crude, and today also it is doing extremely well. Really enjoying the crude move in the market. And yesterday we showed, I conducted the first batch members about the crude and how to trade today and everything. That was real rocker. Option numbers was the real rocker of the day today, from number to number, and it is achieved all the cycles today. So whenever there is a astro event combining with the normal event like war or SEBI or whatever it is, on that day it's a day to make money. And again I'm telling, this month the convergence is not happened till now. So you will definitely get convergence, and we have long expiry this month, so we will definitely get a convergence. 2 convergence at least we will get. So those who missed the opportunity today, no need to worry about it. On the convergence day, trade that, and again you can make 350 points in Nifty in a single day, and 1,500 points or 1,000 points, at least 750 to 1,000 points in Bank Nifty in a single day. So those who missed the opportunity, no problem. Market will give you enough opportunities. And if you are a bull, everybody said this is a buy and dip market, but people those who are holding only know the pain. So don't worry, don't think about what they are saying. If it is giving a negative breakdown in your time frame, don't look into anybody, simply exit first. Save your capital. People can say anything, and tomorrow morning, next day morning, they will delete the tweet and they will go off. But the pain is for you because it is your money. So be with your stop loss, stick with your stop loss. If it hits, let it hits, take the hit. Otherwise, it's very difficult, and that is what I always used to say, that today morning somebody has suddenly you went long, then why you turn? I went long, it doubled, I exited off and I put my trailing stop loss. My trailing stop loss got hit. So I should not be praying. I need to exit. And once it broke the 30 minutes low, and before that we identify the market is going for a toss, because in 15 minutes it is in sell, in 5 minutes it is in sell in the last 2-3 days. So we took the short position. So trader should act as a chameleon. You should not be praying that God will come and save you. No, God will come and save you. So no hope is going to help you out. So you should be a chameleon. See, traders are different, investors are different. Investors, there is no problem. They are like an elephant. They can sit no problem, coolly. They can wait and all that. They can do. But as a trader, you need to change your colors. If you are not changing your colors, then you will not be with the trend in the market. Then obviously after 3:30 you will be crying that you lost the entire opportunity. Okay. Anyway, whatever happened is happened. Market tend to give these kind of moves at least twice in a month, thrice in a month, and you can definitely have opportunity in the October month. So use it well. I am there to support you. Let's see what best I can do for you. Any new update, I will update you tomorrow in the Telegram channel. Until then, goodbye and thanks for your support in Bangalore. Bye. Good night.